Greetings from Care of Mind, Body, Soul, Atma Namaste. So, are you aware of the top 5 benefits of taking saltwater bath every day? Let me quickly share them with you. First, stress reduction and relaxation. The minerals in the salt water can have a soothing effect on your mind and body, aiding to stress relief and can help you relax. Detoxification. Saltwater bath can help draw out toxins from your body, which can leave you with the feeling of being rejuvenated and refreshed. Muscle pain relief. Soaking in salt water can help you to reduce muscle aches and pains by reducing inflammation and can help for circulation as well. But note, this can be practiced as a self-healing process along with your medical line of treatment. Fourth, enhanced sleep quality. Taking a saltwater bath before going to bed can make you feel calm and relaxed, helping your body to prepare for a sound sleep. And very important, aura cleansing. Saltwater bath does not just help to cleanse the physical body but also the energy body and the magnetic field around us, which we commonly call it as the aura. It can help to release energy blockages and stagnated energy from your aura and further can help the renewal of your aura. But do you want to know how to take saltwater bath correctly for better results? If yes, then stay tuned for the next video and follow us now. Do remember to like and share this post. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.